is the first video I'm gonna make. We're gonna work together on questions and answers for the USMLE Part 1. So in case you don't know, this is me. Here's my two daughters. My daughter, and here's my boy, okay? And now here's my parents. And here's my husband. Alright? So we're going to start with our first case. This is our first case, and it's called... So you're going to read the question for me. You can pause the video, read the question. I'm just going to tell you quickly what we're looking for. So the important thing here is that the age is a 6-year-old. Now the other thing is that she has difficulty walking. Difficulty walking. Let's see what else. And then it says that she has had frequent respiratory tract infections. So frequent infections. And then you examine the patient, and then you see that she wobbles from side to side. Wobble. And then you see that she has branching blood vessels. Okay? Branching blood vessels. And the question is, what is the most likely diagnosis? So we look at these things. Those are the most important things. And with that, they expect us to make a diagnosis.